So, as the introduction, we are looking into the definition of software. What does it mean by software? Software refers to a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. An instruction set is also known as program, provide a means for us to interact with and use the computer even we lack of specialized programming skill. Basically, all computers have two basic types of software, which is application software and system software. What does it mean by application software? It's the software that you use to do tasks at home, schools, universities, and works. Okay, while system software includes informations of software that helps run the computer and coordinates instruction between application software and the computer hardware devices itself. System software includes the operating system. What is operating system? The example is Windows, Macintosh, Unix, Linux, and so on. And also utility program. What does it mean by utility programs? It's a program in the operating system that help manage the system resources. Alright. Now, software distribution. How does software been distributed to us? Okay, software distribution distributed in three main ways. This is the three main ways. The first one is known as local installation. Okay, which is pay a one-time fee for either an electronic download or a disk of the software. What does it mean? With locally installed software, you pay a one-time fee, certain amount of money, for either an electronic download or a disk of the software, which then you install by yourself on your devices. Okay. The second one is a software as a service, also known as SaaS. Okay. With software as service, okay, SaaS, the vendor, the owner of the software hosts the software online, and you can access and use the software over the internet without having to install the software on your computer. Okay, and then the third way is subscription. With subscription software with certain amount of fee, okay, then you can use the software for a certain period of time. So it means as long as you are paying the subscription fee, you can use the software. All right. Okay, the software license. When we purchase a software, when we subscribe a software, we always get a software license. Software license is also known as an user license agreement. This is an agreement between you, which is the user, and the software company itself. Generally, the agreement states who the ultimate owner of the software, under what circumstances copies of the software can be made, and whether the software can be installed on any other machines. Finally, the license agreement will state what, if any, warranty comes with the software. So it is very important for all of us to read the end user license agreement, EULA, before installing any software. Alright. And then, okay, what is application software? Now we are looking into the detailed definition of application software. Okay, application software is end user software that is used to accomplish a variety of tasks. There are two types of application software. The first one is known as productivity and business software. The second one is multimedia and educational software. Okay, so application software that we mentioned from the previous slides is categorized as productivity software. Okay, what does it mean by productivity software? Productivity software lets you perform various tasks required at home, school, universities, business, and works. Okay, you probably use word processing software to create and edit documents such as research paper, assignment, test answer, class notes, and others. Okay, Microsoft Word is the most popular word processing program that you can buy and install on your computer. Okay, if you are looking for other more affordable alternative, you can use any open source alternative, okay, such as Writer and others as well. Okay, and then the second one, we are looking into spreadsheet software. What does it mean by spreadsheet software? This is the software that lets you make calculation and perform numerical analysis and simple formulation and so on. You can use it to track your expenses or create a simple budget. Okay, for example, Microsoft Excel, okay, and others. Apache OpenOffice calculation are also example of spreadsheet software. One benefit of spreadsheet software is that it can automatically recalculate all formulas and function in a spreadsheet when values for some input is changed. Okay, automatic recalculation show the effect different options have on spreadsheet. So you can quickly test different assumptions. This is what we call as what if analysis. Alright. Many spreadsheet applications have limited database capability. This is the drawback. Okay, to sort, filter and group data. Okay, then we go to the presentation software. Okay, you've no doubt sat through presentation where the speakers use presentation software such as Microsoft PowerPoint. Even yourself has used Microsoft PowerPoint to create a slideshow. Because these applications are simple to use, you can produce high quality presentation without a lot of training. Okay, with some of the capabilities in PowerPoint, you can embed online video, add effects, even trim video clips without the need for separate video editing programs. That's the beauty side of presentation. Okay, and then we're looking at database software such as Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft Access, which is a powerful application that let you store and organize data. As mentioned earlier, spreadsheet applications are easy to use for simple tasks as sorting, filtering and organizing data, while in database it is a more properly organized into fields, record and tables. Okay, business like Amazon, like Lazada, like iTunes, Craigslist, Pandora all relies on databases to keep track of their product, inventory, client information, invoices, staff information and so on. Okay, often some of the information is available to a home computer user. For example, for Post Laju, you can access the history of all your postage, okay, you ever made on the site. Okay, for Lazada, you can access all the history of your purchases, of your cancel purchase, of your orders, okay, by using certain numbers. Okay, this is what we call as database. All right. Okay, so productivity software features. What does it mean by features? Okay, this is the tools that we use to increase the efficiency of our productivity software. Okay, for example, whether you're working on a word processing document, spreadsheet, database, slide presentation, you can make use of these several tools to increase your efficiency. The tools has been divided into three. The first one is widgets. The second one is template. The third one is macros. Okay, a widget walks you through the step necessary to complete a complicated task. At each step, the widget asks you questions. Based on your response, the widget helps you complete the portion of the task. When you install software, you're often guided by a widget. A template, okay, is a pre-designed form. Templates are included in many productivity applications such as Microsoft PowerPoint. They provide the basic structure for a particular kind of document, spreadsheet or presentation. The last one, macros. A macro is a small program that groups a series of commands so that they will run as a single command. Macros are best used to automate a routine task or a complex series of commands that must be run frequently. For example, a lecturer may write a macro to sort the grades in her gradebook in descending order and to highlight grades that add up to less than a C average. Every time the lecturer adds the result of an assignment or a test, she can set up the macro to run through this series of steps. Alright, that is the beauty of the Okay, and this is another example, application software for businesses. We have project management software. Okay, project management software. Okay, and then we have customer relationship software, and then we have enterprise resource planning, ERP. We have e-commerce, we have CAD, we have vertical marketing, and a lot more software that are focusing on multimedia. Okay, it's been divided into three. Okay, digital multimedia software required to produce a computer games, animations, and movies. So photo, image, sound editing, okay, is included in digital multimedia software. For drawing software, it lets you create a 2D line-based drawing. You can use it to create technical diagram or original non-photographic drawings, animation or illustration. Adobe Illustrator includes, this is the example of software of drawing software, includes tools that lets you create professional, quality, creative and technical illustration. Besides that, there are many other software, okay, that we can use as a drawing software. And then for digital audio files, okay, audio software, there are such as downloaded music files, audiobook or podcast, which will be stored in your computer. So MP3 is the most common audio compression format, but other than that, there are also other compressed formats such as AAC and WMA. You might also sometimes see uncompressed audio files on your computer such as WAV and AIFF file. So digital audio application lets you create and record your own audio file. So audio editing software include tools that making editing audio file easy. Okay, application software for educational and reference. Okay, as we know, many programs provide tutorial for popular computer programs. Some trainings program known as simulation program allows user to experience or control the software as if it were an actual event. Although some courses are run from an individually developed website, many online courses are run using course management software such as Blackboard, Moodle or Canva. Collaboration tools facilitate virtual office hour session as well. Okay, so this is an example of educational and reference.